So hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make Instagram bot in just 5 lines of Python. So this video is crazy. Just please watch full video and let's get started. So here we have to install, just open Visual Studio Core or any your IDE or PyCharm. Just say let's install some pip install py auto GUI. So after enter you will install your library by auto GUI. So I've already installed, satisfied. So let's clear this. So after this you have to import your in your program. Just save this file as bot or any name .py. So after this just import your py.gui. Okay, and your time also, because I want some time refresh after it. So time dot sleep, let's say 10 second. And after this just name a location of your script or any your messages or any text file. Just I will create a Avenger text, this one, a whole script or a half a script of just Avengers Endgame. So you can just get it from Google Chrome. Just type Avengers Endgame script and open this. As you can just copy this whole link, this whole paragraph, whole text file, and paste it over any your, and make sure that you have to in the same folder avengers.txt and bot in the same bots folder. So after this let's create a location folder. Let's say name equals to, then this, and just what is the location of avengers.txt, copy path and just paste it over here, and just make sure that you have give double slash. Okay, and it's done. After this you have to just give a variable. Okay, let's say a equal a equals to open and then the name of the location name, comma, and then r. After this you have to just create a loop again. So for let's say word in a, and then same the py.gui dot type, right, it will type the message of word, and then py dot press enter. So it's done. Just save this file, control s. Okay, so after this let's run it. Okay, now let's open charts, Instagram one. So it will wait for 5-10 seconds. So you can see that it's sending messages automatically. It's bunch of message, a whole script will send it automatically. So this sending, there are lots of message. The system will lag also because the speed of this message is very fast. So okay, my system is going to lag also. So this will help you to create some bots of WhatsApp, any your social media accounts. So I hope you like this video. Please give thumbs up to subscribe my channel. This is Techno Ayan signing off.